Welcome to this video on Technology Assessment for Digital Transformation. In this video, you will be able to explain the significance of technology assessment for a successful digital transformation. You'll also analyze the key components of technology assessment that are critical to achieving effective digital transformation. Imagine embarking on a digital transformation journey without knowing if the tools you choose will truly drive success. You could end up investing in solutions that fail to meet your organization's core needs, thereby straining your budget and impacting overall success. That's where technology assessment comes in. Think of it as a roadmap to unlocking digital transformation's full potential. By evaluating and selecting the right technologies, you can streamline analysis, improve decision-making, and maximize your organization's value. A comprehensive technology assessment involves several key components, each playing a critical role in the overall evaluation process. The process begins with a current state analysis and progresses through defining technological requirements. Next, it involves market research and technology scouting, followed by technology evaluation and selection. Pilot testing and prototyping are then carried out, along with a cost-benefit analysis. The assessment includes risk assessment and mitigation planning, an implementation roadmap, and change management planning. Finally, it concludes with continuous monitoring and evaluation. Let's discuss each of them in detail. First, the process begins with analyzing the organization's current technology infrastructure. This involves evaluating existing tools, platforms, and systems to determine their capabilities, limitations, and areas for improvement. Business analysts should collaborate with IT teams to collect data on system performance, user satisfaction, and compatibility with emerging technologies. Next, the assessment focuses on defining the technology requirements needed to achieve the organization's digital transformation goals. This step involves specifying the features, functionalities, and capabilities that new technologies must provide to align with strategic objectives, such as improving efficiency, enhancing customer experience, or enabling data-driven decision-making. Following this, business analysts conduct market research to identify potential technology solutions that meet the defined requirements. This research includes exploring emerging technologies, industry trends, and vendor offerings, as well as attending industry conferences, networking with professionals, and reviewing case studies from similar digital transformation initiatives. Once potential solutions are identified, the focus shifts to evaluating and selecting the most suitable technologies. This involves comparing options based on factors such as cost, scalability, ease of integration, user-friendliness, and vendor support. Tools such as strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, or SWOT analysis, and must-have, should-have, could-have, won't-have, or Moscow prioritization can help in assessing each technology's merits. Before making a final decision, pilot testing or prototyping is recommended to validate the technology in a real-world setting. This stage helps assess performance, identify issues, and gather user feedback, which refines the implementation strategy. Additionally, a cost-benefit analysis is crucial to understand the financial implications of adopting new technologies. This analysis compares anticipated costs, including licensing, implementation, and training, with expected benefits such as increased efficiency, cost savings, and revenue growth, while also considering long-term factors like maintenance costs and scalability. As every technology adoption carries risks, including cybersecurity threats, data privacy issues, and potential operational disruptions, business analysts must identify these risks and develop mitigation strategies. This involves evaluating factors such as vendor reliability, technology obsolescence, and regulatory compliance. After the appropriate technologies are selected, an implementation roadmap is created. This roadmap outlines the steps, timelines, and resources required for successful deployment and integration, including key milestones, deliverables, and success metrics to track progress and measure impact. Since digital transformation often brings significant changes to processes, roles, and culture, a change management plan is essential. This plan should address training programs, communication strategies, and support resources to help employees adapt to these changes. Finally, continuous monitoring and evaluation are necessary to ensure that the technologies deliver the expected benefits. This involves regular performance reviews, gathering user feedback, and making necessary adjustments to optimize the use of the technologies. Let's discuss an example to see how technology assessment transformed a manufacturing company struggling with production inefficiencies and outdated systems. A mid-sized manufacturing company was facing production delays, equipment downtime, and inefficiencies in inventory management, which affected its ability to meet customer demands. To overcome these challenges, the company initiated a digital transformation, starting with a technology assessment. Business analysts assess the current manufacturing execution systems, MES, supply chain software, and equipment maintenance tools. They identified the need for real-time production monitoring, predictive maintenance, and a more integrated inventory management system. After conducting market research, the analysts recommended advanced automation tools, IoT-enabled sensors for predictive maintenance, and an upgraded supply chain management platform. Following implementation, the company experienced improved production efficiency, reduced equipment downtime, and streamlined inventory management, leading to better customer satisfaction and enhanced operational performance across the board. In this video, you learn that technology assessment is the process of evaluating and selecting the right technologies to support digital transformation and organizational goals. The technology assessment process starts with analyzing the current state to identify capabilities and gaps. Next, technology requirements are defined to align with business goals. Market research explores available options and trends. Technologies are then evaluated and selected based on fit. Pilot testing and prototyping confirm effectiveness. A cost-benefit analysis is crucial to understand the financial implications of adopting new technologies, while risk assessment and mitigation address potential issues. The implementation roadmap covers deployment steps, timelines, and resources. Change management prepares employees for adjustments, and continuous monitoring ensures ongoing performance and issue resolution.